Many people are struggling with hidden temporary files that take up valuable storage space on their laptops. Hello guys, welcome to Tech Kubra. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove all temporary files from your laptop and free up storage space. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. First, press Windows plus R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. Then type Temp, T-E-M-P, and click OK. A folder containing temporary files will open. If Windows asks for permission, click Continue. After that, press Ctrl plus A to select all the files, then delete them. If some files cannot be deleted, simply click Skip. Next, open the Run dialog box again by pressing Windows plus R. This time type %temp%, %temp% and click OK. Once the folder opens, select all the files and delete them. Again, skip any files that are currently in use. If Windows asks for permission, click Continue. After that, press Windows plus R one more time and type cleanmgr, C-L-E-A-N-M-G-R, then click OK. Select the C drive and click OK. Wait for disk cleanup to scan your files. Then, check all the available boxes and click OK, like this. Finally, click Delete Files to remove the temporary files. Now, press Windows plus R one more time and type Prefetch, P-R-E-F-E-T-C-H, then click OK. If Windows asks for permission, click Continue. Once the folder opens, select all the files and delete them. If some files cannot be deleted, simply click Skip. Finally, don't forget to empty your recycle bin. Open the recycle bin from your desktop, select all the files inside and click Delete or Empty Recycle Bin. This will permanently remove the deleted temporary files from your laptop and help free up even more storage space. That's it! You have successfully removed temporary files from your laptop and freed up some storage space. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more useful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.